it's me, it's TWEE here again. Today I want to share with you guys 3 hairstyles with Scrunchie. Let's get started.
For the first one, we're going to tie a high ponytail. Pull some hair at the front out to frame our face. At the last loop when tying the ponytail, pull only half of the tail out to create a bun. Now twist your bun 180 degrees and have the rest of the tail facing upwards. Tuck the rest of the hair inside the elastic to create a tiny bun. And then just add your scrunchie around the bun. And ta-da! So the second look is very easy to do and it's very sweet. First of all, let's do a low half ponytail. Now use our index fingers to tear a hole above the elastic from both sides. Simply flip and tuck the ponytail through the hole to create the twisted effect. Don't forget to pinch and pull the twist to make it looking more effortless. Now, top it up with your favorite scrunchie and it's done! So here comes to the last style, which is also my favorite. So let's tie our hair into a low ponytail. Now use 2 smaller elastics to divide our ponytail into 3 sections. If you have longer hair, you can of course do more sections. You can do, 5 or 6 sections. After sectioning the tail, pinch and pull the hair out from each section to make them into bubbles. Last but not least, cover all the elastic with scrunchies. So I chose some plain scrunchies so that it looks more fashionable and chic. There we go!
I hope you guys like these styles and do let me know which one do you like the most. I'm gonna see you again soon. Ciao!
Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on that notification. See you guys soon!